Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that a lot of people have heard about, but not everyone fully understands: ISAs. Most people think of ISAs as just a tax-free savings account, but the truth is they're much more powerful than that. They can actually play a huge role in building wealth, saving for retirement, or even buying your first home. So in this video, I'll explain what ISAs are, the different types, and how you can make the most out of them. Firstly, what does the term ISA mean? ISA stands for Individual Savings Account. The big advantage is simple: tax-free growth. Any interest you earn, or in some cases, investment returns you make inside an ISA, aren't taxed. That means more of your money stays in your pocket instead of going to the tax man. Now, here's where it gets interesting because there's more than one type of ISA. 1. A cash ISA. This works like a normal savings account, but the interest you earn is tax-free. Simple, safe, and good for short-term goals. 2. A stocks and shares ISA. This lets you invest in the stock market, bonds, or funds. The growth and dividends are tax-free, which makes this a great long-term wealth-building tool. 3. A lifetime ISA. Designed to help you buy your first home or save for retirement. The government adds a 25% bonus on contributions, up to £1,000 a year free money if you put in the max. 4. An innovative finance ISA. This one is for peer-to-peer lending. It's higher risk, but the returns can be bigger. And here's the thing: you can mix and match across different types as long as you stay within the annual allowance. Speaking of allowance, each tax year you can put up to £20,000 into ISAs. You could put the full £20,000 into a stocks and shares ISA or split it. For example, £10,000 in stocks, £5,000 in cash, £5,000 in a lifetime ASA. The flexibility means you can tailor it to your personal goals. Now here's why ISAs are more than just a basic savings account. With a cash ISA, yes, you're just earning interest, but it's tax-free. With a stocks and shares ISA, you're actually investing, owning companies, funds, even bonds, all tax-free. With a lifetime ISA, the government literally gives you money for saving toward your first home or retirement. So instead of just being a place to store cash, ISAs can be a tool to grow wealth, invest smartly, and plan your future. Finally, let's quickly cover a few mistakes people make with ISAs. 1. Only using a cash ISA when inflation is eating away at their savings. 2. Not taking advantage of the lifetime ISA bonus if they're eligible. 3. Forgetting the annual allowance. If you don't use it, you lose it. 4. Treating an ISA like a normal account and dipping in and out without a plan. Remember, being intentional with your ISA is what makes it powerful. So to wrap up, ISAs aren't just simple savings accounts. They're tax-free financial tools that can help you save, invest, and even get free money from the government. If you're in the UK and not using an ISA, you could be leaving serious money on the table. Now I want to hear from you. Do you already have an ISA? If so, which type are you using? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss more money tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to making your money work harder for you.